Now next, by using properties, we will solve the questions. First is sine inverse sine pi by 3. We have properties sine inverse sine of theta, cos inverse cos of theta, tan inverse tan of theta, cosec inverse cosec theta, sec inverse sec theta, and cot inverse cot theta, that all equal to theta. Here theta lies between, for the sine, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. For the cos, theta lies between 0 to pi. For tan, theta lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. For cosec, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, except at the point 0. Theta lies between 0 to pi, except at the point pi by 2. For cot, theta lies between 0 to pi. Now, sine inverse of sine theta. Here, theta is pi by 3. Theta lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. We have angle pi by 3. Pi by 3 lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Therefore, sine inverse sine theta is equals to theta, that is pi by 3. Clear? Now second is cos inverse cos 2 pi by 3. Now 2 pi by 3, pi is 180, 120. So 120 जो एंगल है that lies between 0 to pi, 0 से 180 के बीच में लाई करता है. Therefore, cos inverse cos of theta is equals to theta. Clear? Next one, tan inverse tan pi by 4. Tan inverse tan pi by 4. Angle is pi by 4. Pi by 4, 45 lies between minus 90 to 90. Therefore, tan inverse tan pi by 4 is equal to pi by 4. Clear? Now next is sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3. Now 2 pi by 3, pi is 180 upon 3, 120. 2 pi by 3 does not lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Minus 90 से 90 तक की वैल्यूज में 120 हमारे पास नहीं आता. So we have to write it as sine inverse sine 2 pi. Sine positive is in the second quadrant. So we can write it as pi minus pi by 3. 3 minus 1, 2 pi upon 3. Now sine pi minus theta. Pi negative में sine is positive. So we can write it as sine inverse sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. Sine inverse sine pi by 3. Now pi by 3 lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Therefore, this is equals to pi by 3. Pi by 3. 180 upon 3, 60. 60 degree lies between minus 90 to 90. Therefore, the answer is pi by 3. Next is cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6. First is 7 pi by 6. 210. 210 doesn't lies between 0 to 180. So we can write it as cos inverse cos. Cos किसमें पॉजिटिव होता है? 2 पाई माइनस में पॉजिटिव है cos 0 पाई बाय 2 pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. All positive, sin positive, tan positive and cos positive. अगर मैं pi माइनस करूं cos is negative, pi प्लस करूं negative. 2 pi minus में cos is positive. So we can write it as 2 pi minus pi by 6. 6 into 2, 12 minus 5, 7 pi by 6. Cos 2 pi minus theta is cos of theta, 5 pi by 6. Now check 5 pi by 6 lies between 0 to pi, 5 pi by 6, 150 degree. 150 degree lies between 0 to 180, 5 pi by 6 lies between 0 to pi. Therefore, cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6, that is equals to 5 pi by 6. Clear? Therefore, cos inverse cos theta is equals to theta. Next is tan inverse tan 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. 135. 135 does not lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. 3 pi by 4 doesn't lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now tan is positive in which quadrant? Pi plus में tan positive है. We can write it as pi. If we write it as pi minus pi by 4, pi minus pi by 4, then 3 pi by 4, we get 3 pi by 4, and tan pi minus theta. Tan pi minus theta is minus tan theta. Tan is negative here, and we can write tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. Now minus pi by 4 lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Therefore, this equals to minus pi by 4. Clear? Now next one. Write each in the simplest form. Tan inverse square root of 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x minus pi less than x less than pi. Now we have formula for cos 2x as 2 cos square x minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sin square x. From these two formulas we get cos 2x plus 1 is 2 cos square x and cos 2x 1 minus cos 2x as 2 sin square x. If we half the angles, then 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2 and 1 plus is 2 cos square x by 2. Tan inverse sin square upon cos square tan square. So we can write it as tan inverse tan x by 2. Now limit lies between minus pi to pi. Clear? Here all positive, sin positive, tan positive and cos positive. Now between minus pi to 0 and 0 to pi. pi से 0 से pi के बीच में जो tan x by 2 है, minus pi to 0 में it will have negative value एंड पॉजिटिव वैल्यू, अगर 0 से x छोटा है तो मॉडुलस ऑफ x विल बी नेगेटिव, और अगर 0 से x इज ग्रेटर देन 0 है then modulus of x is positive. Same here, when it is less than 0 then modulus is negative, when it is greater than 0 then the modulus is positive. So we can write it as minus x by 2 if minus pi is less than x less than 0, 0 is less than x less than pi, then x by 2. Tan inverse tan of theta. Tan inverse tan theta is theta when it lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. X lies between minus 1 to 1. And this we can write it as tan of minus as tan inverse tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. So that's why we have write here minus x by 2. Clear? Now the next one, we make the quadrant here, 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, all positive, sine positive, tan positive, cos positive. याद करने का तरीका है स्कूल टू कॉलेज, all school to college. Now next one is tan inverse cos of x upon 1 plus sin of x minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. 1 plus sin x. Instead of cos x, use formula cos 2x is equals to cos square x minus sin square x. Here angle is half, so we can write it as this 1. Instead of 1, sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. Here we will use the formula sin 2x, that is equals to 2 sin x cos x. Angle is half, so 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So we can write it as tan inverse cos square x by 2 a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b, a plus b, a minus b, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square. So one positive term will get cancelled. So here we have left with tan inverse cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Now take cos x by 2 common, then we have left with tan inverse cos is common, so 1 minus tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan x by 2. 1 is the value for tan pi by 4. We have one formula, tan a minus b is equals to tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. We will use this formula here. A is pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 has value 1. So tan inverse tan a minus tan b, 1 plus tan a into tan b. So tan a minus b, pi by 4 minus x by 2. Now x lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Divided by 2, x by 2, pi by 4. Now minus x by 2 also lies between this. Now add pi by 4. Pi by 4 minus pi by 4. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4. So we get 0 to pi by 2. Or we know tan lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Therefore tan inverse tan of theta is equals to theta. Clear? square. Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. So negative term will get cancelled. So cos x by 2 plus in the numerator and negative in the denominator. So by taking cos common, we have left with this term. Now we will use the formula tan a plus b. Tan a plus tan b, 1 minus tan a into tan b. So pi by 4 plus x by 2 here. So x by 2. Pi by 4 and adding lies between 0 to pi by 2. So we get the answer as pi by 4 plus x by 2. I am again repeating, इस क्वेश्चन में हमारे पास डिनोमिनेटर में नेगेटिव साइन है. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, a minus b whole square. One negative term will get cancelled. So we are left with this term by taking cos x by 2 common. 1 plus tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan x by 2. Now we will use the formula tan of a plus b. Tan a plus tan b, 1 minus tan a into tan b. You can open this formula. Tan pi by 4 is 1. So 1 here if we write 1 into tan x by 2, then there is no problem. Therefore the formula is tan of a plus b. Now the limit lies between 0 to pi by 2. Therefore tan inverse tan theta is equals to theta. Now the next one is tan inverse cos of x minus sin of x upon cos of x plus sin of x minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. Now take cos of x common. So we are left with 1 minus sin upon cos tan 1 plus tan. Now tan of a minus b, tan a minus tan b, 1 plus tan a tan b. Tan pi by 4 is 1 into tan x. So instead of this term we will write it as tan of pi by 4 minus x. Now x lies between minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. So minus x also lies between this at pi by 4. Tan lies between 0 to pi by 2. Therefore tan inverse tan of theta is equals to theta. So there are some expressions which we will use to solve the questions. Write down. If the expression is of the form a square plus x square, a square minus x square, a minus x upon a plus x, or a plus x upon a minus x, a square minus x square upon a square plus x square, or a square plus x square, a square minus this. Then we put x as a tan theta or a cot theta. A square minus x square में a sin theta और a cos theta, a sec theta और a cosec theta, a cos of 2 theta, a square cos of 2 theta. Now we will use these expressions. The next question is, write the following in the simplest form: x upon square root of a square minus x square. X lies between minus a to a. Now expression is of the form a square minus x square. So put x as a sin theta. We want tan in the bracket a square, x square is a square sine square. So we can write it as tan inverse a sine theta. Taking a square common, 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square is cos square. So a sine theta square root of a square cos square theta. So tan inverse a sine theta upon a cos theta. So we get tan inverse sine upon cos is tan theta, and the x lies between minus a to a. Tan inverse tan theta is theta and theta is sine inverse. हमने क्या पुट किया था x को? a sine theta. So sine theta is x upon a और theta is sine inverse x upon a. Clear? Now the next one. Tan inverse square root of a minus x upon a plus x. X lies between minus a to a minus x or a plus x. Then put x is equals to a